little bit of the front of this little storm that's coming through here. Windy. It's cooled off quite a bit though. I'm taking Sage for a walk, but all she wants to do is eat the deer peas. Come on. Gets frustrating when you want to walk. She just goes crazy. I don't know what it is. I guess because there's so much. Let's go walk. Like I can't get enough of it. I can't get enough. Give me more deer pee. Ah. See? Just like, oh, stop. Oh, yeah. Ooh, deer pee. Look at how big she is. Sage, you come here. Come here. Look at me. Look at me. Look. Hey. Come out of it. Snap out of it for a second. Snap out of it. Snap out of it. Look. Sit. Sage, you sit. Sage. What a good girl. See, you snapped out of it. Okay. Let's go. Nut.